Hey guys, what's up, what's going on? What go on me peeps, what go on me peoples? Alain here again with a brand new edition of Whiteboy's Fragrance Corner, and today it's all about this fragrance by Mancera called Red Tobacco. This is going to be interesting, guys. Stay tuned, my full review coming up next. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is my official review of this lovely fragrance. Now, some of you may know that Red Tobacco made my wish list for 2020, and I also did a first impressions and unboxing video about a week ago, and I link both those videos in the description below, right? So with that out of the way, let's get down to it. Now, Red Tobacco was released in 2017 and it's considered to be a woody, spicy fragrance. Now, some of the notes in it, on the top now, you have cinnamon, nutmeg, saffron, incense. You have some agar wood, which is actually the oud, and then you have some green apple and white pear. In the middle, it's all about jasmine and patchouli, and down by the base now you have tobacco with Madagascar vanilla, you have some sandalwood, you have some gaiac wood, you also have white musk, amber, and Haitian vetiver. This is the presentation. This is your standard, regular Mancera bottle. However, this is red. So the bottle is red and not the juice inside. Traditional Mancera screw-on cork. The only difference is this has a different logo stamped into it. Now let's see what the atomizer is like. Here we go. Very powerful and even distribution, just as expected from Mancera. So presentation wise, nothing different from the rest. Now let's get down to the scent. First and foremost, and I think this is the most important thing about this review, the opening, it's harsh, the opening is weird, the opening is nothing tobacco smelling, and I think that has something to do maybe with the cinnamon mixed with the oud and then the little freshness of the fruits and the incense. But the opening is weird. The opening can be off-putting, right? But I'm asking you, please do not judge this scent by the opening alone, because once the opening has dried down, after about 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and that tobacco and vanilla comes forward with that warm amber and some sandalwood, this is a lovely, lovely tobacco fragrance. And even though this has vanilla in it, it's nothing like Tom Ford Tobacco Vanille. However, I've also read on Fragrantica that people compare this to Parfums de Marly Carlisle. Now, I do not own Carlisle, so I won't be able to say, but once it reaches my collection, I can always compare both and cast my own judgment. Now, as I said, when the opening has died down, this is where it begins to shine. Tobacco, you get the amber, you get the sweetness of the vanilla, and that lasts throughout the day. Very lovely tobacco fragrance, and you all know by now how I feel about tobacco. I just love that note. Now, what type of weather is this suitable for? Now, the ideal season for this, without a doubt, is fall and winter. However, you can wear any fragrance any time of the year. However, I think spring and summer, one spray, maximum 2 sprays, otherwise you're going to choke some people out. Which takes me to the next point. what is the performance like? It is a powerful fragrance. The longevity on it and skin, I get about 8 to 9 hours on skin. On fabric I get upwards of 13, 14, 15 hours. So it is long lasting, and yeah, the longevity is good. In terms of sillage, well, this is where it gets tricky, and this is the reason why I'm saying this. Now, with the current pandemic going on, you try to social distance as much as I can. Now at my workplace we have strict measures, and we try to keep our social distancing as much as possible. And with everybody wearing a mask, it becomes a bit difficult to really get a feedback from people. However, I've been wearing this for the past 3 days to work, and yesterday I was in my office. I was doing some paperwork, and the office door opened, and we actually share office spaces, so it's like one room and we share office spaces. And my coworker walked in and he's like, I bet 100% Elaine is in here. It's only Elaine can smell so exquisite. Now bear in mind that was 5 hours after I had sprayed on red tobacco, and he was at least 3 to 4 meters away. I mean, like, he walked into the office and he smelled it immediately, and he came over to me and he was like, I knew you were in the office. He wanted to know what I was wearing. I told him, and he actually asked me if I could give him a decant, which I am going to. So that alone speaks for itself in terms of how powerful this is and how lovely the dry down is. Now, the second point I want to get across here, guys, I got this for under $100. So if you really take the time out and go online and search, this is a huge bang for your buck. First of all, you get niche. Second of all, you get 120 milliliter, and thirdly of all, this is a powerhouse performer. So in my humble opinion, this fragrance is worth every penny, and I do think the hype behind this is real. Again, this is just my opinion. Just my opinion. At the end of the day, everybody likes what they like. But this, guys, if you're into heavy fragrances, tobacco fragrances, I think this is a must try. Go out and get a sample first, because to be honest, if you go to the store and you spray it on your skin, you're not going to want to buy it. You need to get a sample, take the sample home and give it proper wear, and then you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Red Tobacco, this gets 2 thumbs up for me. Just in the performance department alone, oh man, can you guys imagine if we never had a pandemic? I can just imagine how much compliments I would get with this. This is a lovely scent, man. It really is. And it's worth to check out. Definitely worth to check out. Alright guys, so this is my quick I guess review of Red Tobacco by Mancera. If you have any further questions, you can always leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll try my best to answer as quick as possible and as best as I can. And you can always head over to Instagram and you can follow me at whiteboys_fragrance_corner, and you can catch up with me on Facebook as well at Whiteboys Fragrance Corner. Now, I do a whole lot of interacting on my Instagram page in terms of stories, like my IG stories. I do polls every now and then. What should I review next? What should I add to the collection? And it's always good. You know, it's a good feeling to interact with you guys and get a feedback from you guys as well. And yeah, and look, listen, I still have not hit 100 subscribers, and the deal still stands. Whenever I hit 100 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway countrywide, unfortunately for the first time around, and you know, it's only going to get better from there. So, you know, click the subscribe button, and while you're at it, you can also click on the notification bell so you will get updated whenever your favorite Jamaican fragrance reviewer, or could I say friendly Jamaican fragrance reviewer, uploads a brand new video. Now with that said and out of the way, you know what the slogan is. Looking great, smelling great, and man face smell good. You can't go to Grand Market and smell like old tear crocus bag. Well, I'm not sure if that makes a whole lot of sense, but for those of you that understands, they know exactly what I'm talking about. With that said and out of the way, stay safe peeps, stay blessed peeps. Whiteboy is out.